with my little camera. Hello, I'm Dr. Barton. This is my patient Teresa, and I have treated her children. So I wanted to ask her if she said she would be excited to talk a little bit about natural treatments for children. So,
yes.
Well, tell me. Let's start with the older one.
Okay, so my daughter was having issues with constipation and with anxiety.
Right. And what did you try before you rolled in here?
So we tried some Pediatric, and then I also tried to manage her diet with trying to give her oatmeal, no bananas, lots of juice, and none of that worked.
So you went to her primary care doc also?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
And then what happened here?
So then I saw you, and you gave 2 powders that she takes twice a day, and within 3 days she was completely normal bowel movements.
That's pretty cool, because she was having pain and
Yes.
bleeding and that.
Yes, and she was dreading it and having me go into the bathroom with her, so it became a source of anxiety for her.
And we also treated her with a homeopathic remedy, I think, right?
Yes.
And I think that had an impact on her anxiety.
Yes, so I've seen improvement with some hair twirling and just general, she seems a little calmer.
Mm-hmm. And didn't her teachers mention something that they noticed? That
They thought that she seemed a bit more confident in class and kind of speaking up right away before the other kids were speaking up to give an answer.
So pretty cool change.
Yes. Yeah. Very exciting.
All right. Number 2 kid.
So my son would get a cold, which would then go to his chest, and he would have asthma, and we would end up in the emergency room. And so we were taking lots of antibiotics, prednisone, and 2 medicines through the inhaler. And I just came to you to see if there was something more natural we could do, because his temperament changed with all that medicine and he became a bit difficult.
Yeah, the prednisone, the steroids particularly.
Yes.
It's not something that I mean, they're good treatments, but it doesn't get to the cause of the problem. So anyway, what do we do?
So we limited dairy in his diet, dairy and gluten. And so really it's hard to limit foods in a 3-year-old. So I really have just switched to almond milk and no yogurt, and I've seen an improvement just with that.
Mm-hmm.
And not really doing too much with the gluten, just limiting pastas and breads, but it's really been the dairy.
Okay, so less gluten.
Yes.
And eliminating dairy. And he did get a cold recently, right?
He got a cold, and it was just in his nose, and it did not go to his chest.
Yeah.
So no trip to the emergency room.
Oh, that's great.
Yes.
All right, well, another success story for natural medicine. Thank you very much.
Thank you.